So hi guys, and welcome to today's video. And today's video we're going to be learning some JavaScript programming with me, Hatem. Let's get started. Let me just fix something over here. Okay, let's get started. So in today's lesson we're going to be doing comparing strings in JavaScript. So let's get started. We can use comparisons to check if a string is equal to or not equal to another string. To check if a string is equal to another string, we can use the strict equality operator. Equal. Does apple equal apple? Yes. If the string on the left is equal to the string on the right, as an apple equal apple, the result is true. Apple. On the apple. Um, apple equals another apple. True. My sound. If the string on the left isn't equal to the string on the right, as in apple equal orange, the result is false. Apple equal. Then one of my favorite fruits, orange, false. We can compare variables that store strings with each other, like in fruit 1 and fruit 2. Fruit 1 equal fruit 2. False. We can use the equality operator. Equal. Do. Can you, what can the equality operator do? It checks if a string is equal to another string. Which of these is the strict equality operator? 3 equals. What does this display in the console? LED plus. False. What? Which of these comparisons result in true? Apple equal apple. Check if my answer is equal to solution. My answer equals solution. False, because my answer is act, but the solution is ace. Store a string in the solution to make the comparison false. No. False. Store a string in item 2 to make the result of the comparison false. Item 2 equals your stalker's hat. I will go in for second, and I think I would choose Heletsky. Oh, wait, pipe. They just said store anything in it. Okay, pipe. Check if liquid is equal to solid by coding. Okay, liquid equal solid. Nuh-uh. Just checking. Progress, continue. Control, continue. Now let's do part 2. The second part of comparing strings. To check if a string isn't equal to another string, we use the strict equality operator. Yeah, this one will be true. It's just the same thing that we learned, but opposite. If the string on the left isn't equal to the string on the right, as in, yeah. It's the same, but like opposite technically. So, exclamation mark equal, then orange, it will show true. Orange. If the string on the left is equal to the string on the right, as in orange, it will result in false. Okay, here let's run this code. False. As is to store the result of a comparison in a variable, we use the equal sign. Okay. Is not duplicate equals then apple orange. Okay. True. Which of these is true? black, and the inequality operator orange. Which of these is the inequality operator? The exclamation mark is into equals. What does this display in the console? Orange and then yellow. Okay, it will display true in the console. What does the inequality operator do? It checks if a string isn't equal to another string. Check if my answer isn't equal to solution. My answer exclamation mark equal solution. True. Store a string in wallpaper to display false in the console. Okay. No. No, const the our wallpaper is misery.png. What is even this? PNG. One of these, okay. Misery.png, but we don't know which misery. Uh, oh, they have truth bliss.png, sorry. I got confused. Store a string in new leaderboard to make sure the result of the comparison is true. So const new leaderboard equals gem. True. Check if big city isn't equal to small city by coding the inequality operator. Equality operator. True, they aren't equal. If like one is big and one small. Let's continue. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So bye guys, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm Hatem and I'm out.